Welcome. In this video, we will show how to install the Veritas System Recovery Management solution. Before starting the installation, please refer to the Veritas and Symantec compatibility lists. For VSR, this is at www.veritas.com/content/support/en_us/doc/VSR_18_SCL. For the Symantec Management Platform, this is at www.symantec.com/docs/how-to9965. The first step is to download Symantec Installation Manager from Symantec's IT Management Suite trialware site. This is at www.symantec.com/products/IT-management-suite. For this video, we have already downloaded the package and we can now install Symantec Installation Manager, or SIM. By default, the Installation Manager will automatically launch following the installation. From the Install New Product screen, we need to choose Platforms from the drop-down menu. We are now presented with the latest version of Symantec Management Platform, or SMP. At the time of recording this video, SMP 8.1 is the latest version of SMP that is supported with the VSR management solution. We will select both SMP 8.1 and the current release update, which is RU5. Installing a language pack is optional and not required for the purposes of this video. Select the appropriate drive to install to. Accept the license agreement. Installation Manager will now perform a series of install readiness checks to ensure that your server meets the requirements for installing SMP. As we can see, there are several requirements that have not been met yet. By clicking on each link, SIM will automatically resolve these to ensure that the minimum requirements are met. Having resolved each item, we need to rerun the readiness check. The server now meets the minimum requirements and we can proceed with the installation. The next stage is to enter the account credentials needed to run the services. This account must have local administrator rights. The other options can be changed to meet your needs. As seen in the prompt, the IIS application pool needs to be configured as a classic .NET app pool for the notification server to display correctly, but clicking OK on this will set that for you. Next, we need to provide details of the SQL server that SMP will use for its database. We can also provide a meaningful name for the database. Here, we can review the installation details and then start the install. During the installation, you are prompted for the use of cryptographic keys, but this is optional and can be skipped. Review the Symantec SMP documentation for more information. The installation of SMP is now complete, but we do not want to launch the Management Console at this stage. The next step is to download the VSR Management Solution installation package from the free 60-day trial link of the System Recovery product page. Once downloaded, we then need to extract the contents. In order to install the VSR management solution, we need to go back to the Symantec Installation Manager console and into the Settings menu to switch to the Veritas product listing file. Click Change, then Add, and browse to the location where you've just extracted the contents of the install package. Select the veritas_ssr.pl.xml file and accept the product listing usage. Once we have loaded the Veritas product listing file, we can go to the Install New Products menu and select the 3 Veritas products. Note that the Linux management solution is only required if you plan to manage Linux servers in your environment. Accept the license agreement and, if required, resolve any install readiness checks. Then begin the installation. Again, during the installation, you are prompted for the use of cryptographic keys, but this is optional and can be skipped. The installation is now complete and we can now launch the VSR Management Solution console. That concludes this demonstration where we have shown you how to install the Veritas System Recovery Management solution. Thank you for watching this video and look out for others in the future. For formal training courses, please visit the Veritas Education Services page at www.veritas.com/services/education services/training courses. Also remember to visit our support pages at www.veritas.com/support for further information.